really unbelievable. What a lovely place, guys. What a fascinating beauty here. And the city, Operation Lechon. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Enjoy this wonderful scenery. There, guys. It is really a breathtaking beauty of this amazing and wonderful city of Operation Lechon. Wonderful. Wow. Really beautiful place. A lovely place. It's amazing. It's very nice. Very beautiful, guys. Enjoy. It's amazing places here in Israel. The land flowing with milk and honey, and the beauty, the rays, the sundown here in the city. It's really incredibly awesome, guys, awesome. Absolutely unbelievable, wonderful. It's nice. Amazing place. And the city. Incredible. Lovely city. Oh, this amazing and wonderful. Ocean and let's see.